Hello, my name is Caitlin and welcome to Country Kitchen SweetArt's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this butterfly cake for Mother's Day. Let's get started. I am going to start by showing you how to make the fondant butterflies. You will need a silicone mat, a foam flower former, a small rolling pin, a powdered sugar duster, fondant, purple gel color, or the color of your choice, and butterfly plunger cutters. Portion a small amount of white fondant and, with gloved hands, knead until it is smooth. Make a well in the fondant and add a drop of purple food color. Knead the fondant until the color is evenly distributed, then add more if desired. Once the fondant has reached your desired color, dust the silicone mat with powdered sugar and roll out a small piece of the fondant. Roll until it is 1/8 of an inch thick, making sure to turn the fondant often to ensure it is rolled evenly. Then, use these plunger cutters to cut out different sizes of butterflies. To use the plunger cutter, cut the fondant, then press on the plunger to emboss the design into the fondant. Place the butterfly on a foam flower former to give the butterfly some movement. Continue cutting out a variety of sizes of butterflies, then allow them to dry overnight on the flower former. Once the butterflies are dry, dust them with edible luster dust. Purple often fades in the light, so mine turned out more blue than purple. To dust the butterflies, I will be using a purple shimmer luster dust and a fluffy brush. Be sure to gently apply the luster dust so that the fondant pieces do not break. Dust the remaining butterfly pieces before moving on to the next step. Smooth frost your cake, leaving the top edge rough if desired. Next, fit a piping bag with petal tip number 102 and fill with stiff purple buttercream. Petal tips have a thick end and a skinny end, so be sure to hold the piping bag so that the thicker end is against the cake. Pipe wavy lines with this tip around the cake. You can attach the butterflies as you go, or you can add them at the end. Continue piping wavy lines around the cake, then decorate with the various sizes of butterflies and white pearls. To paint the top edge, start by mixing a paint using edible gold luster dust and a clear grain alcohol such as Everclear. Slowly mix in the alcohol until you have a thick paint consistency. Use a small paintbrush to paint the top edge of the frosting. To finish this cake, I will be adding gold leaf accents. I used royal icing to decorate this styrofoam cake, so I used piping gel to help the gold leaf adhere to the cake. If you used buttercream to decorate your cake, you will not need the piping gel. When adding gold leaf to your cake, use a paintbrush to break off a small section, then gently touch it to your frosted cake. The gold leaf should easily adhere to the cake, and if it does not, add a little piping gel. When adding the gold leaf to piping gel, make sure to just touch it to the cake. If you try to brush it, the paintbrush will remove most of the gold leaf. Spray the cake with edible jewel dust if desired, and this cake is finished. Thank you for watching until the end of our video. And be sure to stick around so you can learn where to find all of the products used in this video and how to stay connected with us. To find the products used in this video, scroll down to the description and click on that link. That link will take you to our website, and below the photo you will find all of the products used to make this cake. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated on our newest products, sales, and learn how to get your creations featured on our social pages. If you would like to see more videos like this one, check out our buttercream decorated cakes playlist on our channel. Be sure to leave us a comment down below letting us know what you thought of this video and what kind of videos you would like to see next. And we would like to thank you for all of your comments on our previous videos. Stay tuned for our next video, where I will be decorating sugar cookies with buttercream flowers. See you next time.